Turntable Setup Explained, a guide for beginners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and details of a turntable setup. For music enthusiasts and vinyl record lovers, understanding this term is essential. Let's dive in and learn together. A turntable, in simple terms, is a device used for playing vinyl records. It's a major component of a record player, consisting of a rotating platform that spins the record. Turntables are popular among music enthusiasts for their ability to produce high-quality sound. Understanding the components is crucial for comprehending a turntable setup. A typical setup includes 1. Platter, the spinning part where you place the record. 2. Tonearm, a movable arm that holds the needle or stylus, which reads the record's grooves. 3. Cartridge and stylus. The cartridge holds the stylus, which makes contact with the vinyl record to produce sound. 4. Preamplifier, amplifier. These enhance the sound signal from the turntable. Each part plays a vital role in the overall functionality of the turntable. Setting up a turntable involves 1. Positioning. Place the turntable on a stable, level surface to avoid vibrations. 2. Balancing the tonearm. Properly balance the tonearm to ensure the stylus tracks the record grooves accurately. 3. Connecting to speakers. Connect the turntable to speakers or an amplifier for sound output. Careful setup ensures the best sound quality and prolongs the life of your records and equipment. Despite digital music's popularity, vinyl records have seen a resurgence. Reasons include sound quality. Many argue that vinyl offers a warmer, more authentic sound. Physical collection. Collecting vinyl records provides a tangible connection to music. Nostalgia. Vinyl records evoke a sense of nostalgia and tradition. That's all for our guide on turntable setups. We hope this video has been informative and enhances your understanding of this fascinating aspect of music appreciation. Remember, whether you're a seasoned audiophile or a beginner, the world of vinyl is an exciting journey. Stay curious and keep learning.